How to buy or purchase Steam gift card online. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we will be guiding you through on how you can buy or purchase Steam gift card online. So if you're wondering how you can do it, these are the processes you may follow up and you should be able to buy or purchase Steam gift card online through your device. So first of all, you will just either head over to a mobile device or your desktop's browser and type in Steam gift card and type in Steam gift card on the search bar of the browser. After that, you will be taken to this page where you will be finding different options from where you can purchase Steam gift card. You may officially head over to the Steam gift card, the official website of the Steam, from where you can purchase digital gift card. So in order to add those Steam card, you can find this redeem a gift card and send a digital Steam gift card option. Just go on with the process of buying them, and you should be able to buy and purchase Steam gift card just like that. So that is it. That is very straightforward process in order to buy or purchase a Steam gift card online. So if this video was helpful to you, thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.